Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads, tri beads, some spacer beads, and some of these, if you can find them, if you search spiky beads or spiked beads, you might be able to find these. You're also going to need a couple feet of string, scissors, and a lighter. So these beads here, they were on a bracelet. And I bought these at a store called Glitter in the mall. And then I just cut it to use the beads. Now I did look for these online. And I found silver and gold ones. But I couldn't find these. I found the individual ones. So you'll just have to look. And if you can't find these, just get a bead that has 2 holes. That will work too. This might be dangerous here. Well, guess I'll just pour some out. I don't have enough room. Okay, so what we're going to do, I have a long piece of string here. And I'm working with 3 colors. So my colors are pink, blue, and orange. I'm going to put on 3 pink neon pony beads. And we're going to hold these ends and let the beads go to the middle of the string. And then I have these frosted pony beads. I'm going to put a pink on both sides and just let those fall. My next color will be orange. So on one side, you'll put 3 orange beads. And then we're going to take this string and cross over. And then you're going to hold these ends together and pull these beads down. Then I'm going to take 2 of the frosted pony beads, and orange on both sides, then let those fall. We're going to add 3 blue. And if it's easier, you can lay this down and then take the string and go across. You're going to hold these ends and then pull this down. Okay, so this is going to be our pattern. We also need to put our blue on. And now we're just going to repeat that. So we started with 3 pink. And once you get this started, now you can just pull both ends at the same time. So you're going to add a pink on both sides. Our next color is orange. So 3 orange on one side, and then the string will cross through. Grab the ends and pull. So we're making a ladder, but we're adding a spacer bead in between each. So you're going to add orange on both sides. Then we're going to get 3 blue. Cross these over. pull this down. Then you're going to add blue on both sides. And that's what it looks like. So this will be loose. So what you do is pull these down to tighten it up. And I believe we're going to do this 15 times. So we should have 15 rows. So this counts as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this pattern a few more times, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, after you have your 15 rows, this is what it should look like. I added these spacer beads at the end. And we're going to need to take this piece of string and go across the 3 hot pink. And if you need to tighten it, you would tighten it before you tie it off here. So we're going to make a knot right here. Let's try that again. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these strings over through the pink again. Okay, so we have strings coming out of the pink. And I also forgot to mention, for the spacer beads, these also came on a bracelet that I cut up. If you, really you could use whatever you have on hand. I know Bead Tin has some like Fruit Loop beads, those would work. Or you could just use all tri-beads. So to start this, we're going to put a blue spacer bead on both sides. And then I'm going to take a clear tri-bead on both sides. Then I'm going to take a pink spacer bead on both sides. Clear tri-bead on both sides. And then an orange spacer on both sides. And then I'm going to take one of these if I can get that string through there. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to repeat that, but the opposite way. So you know how we started with blue? We're going to go backwards, so we're going to start with the orange. So I'm going to add an orange spacer on both sides. Tri-bead on both sides. Pink spacer bead. Tri-bead on both sides. And then the blue spacer. So that's what it looks like. Now we need to go to the next pink bead. And we're going to go across all three. And then same thing, but we're going to go this way. So take this string and go through all three of these beads. And then you're going to pull both strings tight. So it looks like this. Now we're going to repeat that. So I'm going to do one more on camera. So we're going to put the blue on both sides. Tri beads. Pink. Tri beads, and then orange. We're going to take one of these and then do that pattern backwards. So orange, tri bead, pink, tri bead, and then blue. Now we're going to take this string, go across these three pink. So every time you get your pattern on, we're going to go through the pink row. We're always going to go across the pink. And you could put a needle on the string to help it go through if you can't get it to go through. So all you're doing is crossing both strings through the pink row. Now this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to go ahead and finish these last three ones, and then I'll show you how to tie it off. Okay guys, I'm at the end here and it's time to tie this off. So I added my last set of beads right here. You're going to take this string and cross through the pink row. You're going to pull that tight, and then you're going to take your other string and pull that one tight, and then you're going to tie it right here. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, I really like this style because it's super flexible and it has a lot of different textures. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.